Hey guys, happy Monday. So great to see you again. Guys, we are going to be looking at Research Calendar Week 3 right now. This will be kind of getting all of those details for your project put together. So we're going to take a minute to look at what your week looks like, and then you will get working on Monday's work, okay? So this week we're going to put your final project together. Each day you'll focus on a specific part, so we're kind of doing small little pieces of your project to stay organized in your research, and we're going to be using those note catchers from last week to help you do that, okay? So if we take a look, you have your objectives here, directions, your lessons, and then your activity. No copying and pasting this week because you are going to be working on the project in your own format, okay? So really the overall goal, like I said, is to make your project, and if we just kind of skim our objectives and directions, I can see that I'm spending a few different days on it. I will start the week with my lead. You guys last Friday kind of planned out what that might look like. And then I'm going to be spending each day on my research question. So you'll need to go back to those note catchers from last week, kind of pull up your different research, your different data on that, and then put it into your project however you want to, whatever that looks like for you. We have that sample project to look at and some screencasts down here that are going to guide you specifically on what you need to do each day. Okay? So we'll be answering each research question those days, and then Friday is built in to just kind of help you guys make sure you have everything in the right place, things are looking good, add your ending onto it, and then you'll do a self-assessment down here on Friday on a Google form that's going to help you just again make sure you have everything you need before we start presenting projects, which will be next week. So right now we're just focusing on really building a really strong, nicely organized, looking good project, and then next week we will go from there. On this screencast you will learn more, okay, about what that looks like, and then here is a master slideshow. So here's what your slides are going to look like. This slideshow is a lot like our calendar. You could actually kind of go between both. This has your objectives for each day, just like our calendar does, right? And it also has different links. So you can click on this and it'll take you to what you need to do each day, and kind of break down the steps just a little bit differently in case you're getting a little overwhelmed by the calendar, or if you're just a little bit needing something different, okay? So this has everything you need through the week. We got through Friday, and then there is a day, a slide about extensions and enhancements. So if that's something you are interested in, I would definitely take a look at that as well. There's a screencast on each slide that will help you understand exactly what we're asking you to do that day to help make sure that your project comes to life, okay? So guys, let me know if there's anything I can help you with, any questions you might have. I am so excited to look at your projects. I know they're going to turn out really well, and I can't wait to see what you guys have. Thanks.